Hello, I'm back. Speaking of Malandi, let's make a new review of Malandi. Oops, I did it again. Speaking of Malandi, ang Malandi ay mga babaeng nang aagaw ng hindi sa kanila. Ako, no. And number 2, ang matatawag na malandi is yung mga babaeng hilig magpapansin sa lalaki na hindi naman pinapansin. Yon ang matatawag natin na ang landi-landi talaga. But yung babaeng pinapansin ng lalaki, yon ay hindi malandi. So ako, hindi ako malandi dahil ako ang pinapansin. Ay, ang haba ng hair extensions. Number 3, na matatawag natin na malandi ang isang tao. Ang tao, pag nakakapanira ka ng isang pamilya ay you are certified malandi. Ako, hindi ako naninira ng pamilya. So, I'm sorry. Ay, sorry. Hindi nyo pa rin matatawag na malandi ang isang babae kung mahilig siyang mag-post ng sexy like this. At mahilig siyang magpa-cleavage. At mahilig siyang magpa-mini. So, it's not the looks of the girl. But, you know, sometimes, amiga to amiga, always joking sometimes. Ang landi mo talaga, ganon. That's a very natural. Because all person have landi naman talaga. Aminin natin. But, making it serious about landi and hitting other people, I think that's so very abnormal. And thank you for always watching, guys. And yes, ito lang masasabi ko. Hindi natin dapat i-hate ang ibang tao as long hindi naman tayo inaano at hindi naman tayo nasisira. So, let's have fun and enjoy. And yes, wala na akong magagawa. This is me. Oh, baby, baby. Oh, baby, baby. How am I supposed to know that something wasn't right? Baby, I'm sorry to you. You got me slipping. What can I do? Just turn me around. All of you make me always stronger, and thank you so much always for keep always following and liking, viewing, commenting my videos, and thank you so much always. Now I'm stronger from there.